So for today, I'm going to teach you how to buy games on your Steam. First, you need to access your mobile browser or just simply access it on your PC or desktop if you have one. But in this case, I will teach you on how to do it in mobile device. So basically, you just have to open the Steam and log in your account using your credentials. And once you're in, you will see the three lines right there, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. Once you click on that, a drop down menu will pop up and you will see there the store. You just have to click on that and go to the home page. Once you click on that, you will see a bunch of options right here. And if you wanted to search for a game, you just have to go scroll down up and you will see a search bar right there and you could search for the game you wanted to search or even buy. So for example, this one. I searched for it and once you wanted that game, you just have to click on that and scroll down until you see the install game, which is the friends pass, or you just buy the game itself. As you can see, it has price in it as well. You just have to add cart that one and view and just click continue to payment to proceed to the transaction.